Often salad on the menu today, so let's make it. Here are my ingredients: turkey, stockfish, catfish, dry catfish, and some leftover assorted meat there. Of course, my yam. Now I'm gonna add my washed turkey, stockfish, oh yeah, seasoning cubes, roughly blended onions and peppers, and salt. Now stir. Now I'm gonna add my yam on the heat, cover and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and wash my catfish with hot water. Just rinse it with hot water and also to firm it up so that it doesn't break in the soup. Now I'm going to season it with 1 seasoning cube and salt. Rub it in. Cover and set aside. Now let's check on the yam. Alright, it's soft. I'm gonna remove it. Now I'm gonna add my catfish, marinated catfish, my assorted meats, and my catfish. Now add your crayfish and ogilimu. I'm not going to add water because I will use water to blend my yam. Now let's check on our soup. And this time I will add Ozeza pepper soup spice. Now I'm going to add my blended yam. Now rinse your blender and add not too much. Stir a little bit like so. Gently stir and allow it to cook. Now let's check on the soup. It's ready. It's been cooking for a while now. Stir, 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 and it's ready. You can add your ozeza leaf if you have. I can lay my hand on any ozeza leaves. Now our soup is ready. Look at the consistency. It's not too thick, and I don't like it too watery either. So this is my best and preferred consistency. All done. Gonna off the heat. You guys, the pounded yam is ready. Now let's dish out the soup. The soup is looking really good. You guys, all done.